Just your silhouette. I'm gonna save my memories. You know you want to cough. No, just walking over here to my phone.
Ah!
No, she pooped. Look.
She didn't poop.
Is that there? Or it's a dead bug or something.
It's like a dead bug, I think.
Ew, you just squished the hell out of it.
How did I stuff it? That, whatever that is. What is that?
I don't know.
What's that? That's real.
Oh.
What is that?
It's water.
Okay, good.
Your thing probably shot out.
Did I just eat that piece of bagel?
I don't know.
Did I give it to you? Or did I eat it?
I don't think I ate it. But I don't know.
I think I ran and put it in my mouth when I was running.
Alarm. We must go.
It's bomb.
Look what they do to those poor mouses. Mice. Well,
Squirrels.
Squirrels. That's even worse. This is a really cool picture. Hold on.